If you spend $5 on your morning coffee on the way to work, $15 on a nice lunch from the food truck, $4 on overpriced transport, $2 on a sweet treat, and $1.40 on unwanted subscriptions, then that's the same as spending $10,000 every single year.
If you can save these $10,000 per year, here is a plan that can make you millionaire. Use $2,000 on business education, courses, masterminds, mentorship. $1,000 creating a high-demand digital product that you can sell and make money. $3,000 on an automated sales funnel that will do the selling on your behalf. Another $2,000 on different softwares like email autoresponders, website funnel builder, and $2,000 on paid traffic or ads to actually make some sales and make some money. Does this look good? It works, but this is not for beginner. A beginner will lose all his money in this method. What you need as a beginner is a 99% done for you system where you spend maximum 2 hours per day driving traffic to 100% done for you automated sales funnel. That's it. This sales funnel does the selling on your behalf, and when there is a sale, you earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. The remaining time of the day you spend on learning valuable skills like AI, copywriting, advertisements, sales, human psychology, and negotiation. All these important skills will help you become a real millionaire. However, it starts from something 99% done for you, which is our system. And if you want to learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.